How long have you been recording?
I just started.
Like just now? Like just now? Like right now? Like right now?
Your girl taller than you.
Moment. Huh?
Ain't your girl taller than you?
No.
She's skinny than you, though.
She hates me. Hey, it's
Like that commercial they did that dog. He was like a mop. Dude.
Fluffy. Let's see Fluffy.
I want my hand like oh dear, I'm filming it. Deal.
It's about the dog now.
Deal, I'm filming it.
I'm not doing it.
Why?
That was a one-show thing.
Just do it.
I'm not even dressed properly.
So?
I'm not doing it. I'm not filming it.
I'm filming it. I'm
No.
filming it. I'm filming it.
It's not happening.
Just do it.
It's not happening. No. No.
Dude. He killed her.